Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out which sources are citing an article and which sources are cited by an article. So to do this, we're going to use the main search on the library homepage. So that's library.columbia.edu to get started. You're going to use the main search box in the middle of the page. Because this is an option that's available for some articles, we're going to switch our everything search to an article search and then enter our search term. So on our results page, as we scroll through our results, we're going to see that there are sometimes these icons that they're red icons with arrows, and these icons are going to link us into being able to see which sources are citing an article and which sources are cited in an article. So I'm going to demonstrate that here. So the first icon is two arrows going outwards. And this is going to show me other articles that are using this article as one of the resources in its reference list or bibliography. Okay, so you'll see for this particular article, there is one other article that is using this article as a source. And you'll see that in this case, we happen to have full text access to this article. So you can click into this available online and get into the full text for this. If I go back to my results page, you'll see that many of these results also have an arrow pointing downwards. And this icon is going to tell us which sources the author used in writing this article. So these are going to be the books and articles that are part of the references list or bibliography for a particular article. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And now you'll see for this particular article, there are 15 sources. We can scroll through here. Most of these will probably be articles, but there may be books or dissertations, other sources as well. And you'll see we may, in some cases, have full text access to the articles that are being used in the bibliography. Other times, this may say no online availability, in which case you would need to use interlibrary loan if you wanted access to any particular article. So this is one way to expand your research. So just keep in mind for these two icons, it's showing you which sources informed the article. So that's that list of sources that are cited in the article. And the other icon is showing you which sources are informed by this article. So which sources are using this article as part of their bibliography. If you have additional questions about this particular search tool or any other research questions, you can always ask a librarian. You can use the Ask Us icon that shows up here on the right-hand side of the results page, or you can go back to the library website and use the Ask a Librarian options there. Thank you.